Today on assembly, we got a complete replenishment here. Look, we need 20s, kids, mountain bikes, adults, and 18s, 16s, 12s, BMX, kids, BMX, freestyle, 24, 26. Look like they got plenty of 29 adults, multi-speed suspension with disc brakes. So look like we need more of 26s and 24s and 20s. I can estimate that this bike is, or this bike rack is missing about maybe 35 bikes without going through a physical count. So I'm going to the back room, get in contact with a manager or coach and see what they would like to have replenished. Here are some stocks of Easy Snap 12s and Easy Snap 20s, Easy Snap 16s, and these items need to be put back on the rack for liability purposes and getting them off the floor and then resecure properly. And so we have about, I would say, 25 Easy Snaps 20s, 16s, 12s, and about 35 20s, 24s, and 26. In contact with a authorized personnel and see what they need built. Today in assembly, 15 bikes, replenish bike rack. All brakes are good. All gears are good. All handlebars secure properly. I can honestly say these bikes are very safe to purchase and to put back on the bike rack. No liabilities. First, highest priorities are brakes. You have to be able to stop. If you cannot stop, you can kill yourself or harm yourself. And I do not want those liabilities on myself. I'm responsible for these bikes that are built right here. I feel very secure in putting these bikes out as if I was going to buy these bikes for my own children, my own family. And so I built these bikes with the intentions of one of my family members were to purchase a bike, they will have a safe bike. These are entry bikes so that you can buy more expensive quality bikes to enjoy exercise, enjoy the outdoors. And so come get your bikes. They are ready for you to purchase. Expert built in assembly. Beautiful brakes. A bike family. Come get your bikes.